Got
we're
it?
on. Yep.
I'll put it straight forward or anywhere, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, pressure. And stopping it.
Oh, no, I can play it. That's an 80s song. So
Yeah.
we can. I think it's the song of 80s leaves on the radio. But anything past 80s, then,
They'll say something. All right.
I hope.
Yeah. Well, we'll hopefully don't.
This shows you a Lawnmower Man with big contractor Jose. We're heading off to work.
Yes, sir.
We had a great time hanging out with
Gary, we're coming back.
Northside and hanging out with GW's Smoky Barbecue. So we're going to enjoy some great barbecue.
Yeah. Right now we're listening to Queen.
Fresh job.
Right.
One more chance.
One more chance.
One more chance. Oh. Hey, got my tires fixed.
Yeah, I saw that. Amen to that.
I'm going to do some floors. Mowing some floors.
One floor.
Your floors.
Yeah, just one. I go in there, we pump and get the hell out.
Yep.
I gotta bring my fan and everything else.
Our last dance. This is our last dance. This is our last. Under pressure.
Amen.
Under pressure.
Pressure.
Is there a cop coming?
No.
Later, Gators.